Hello, everyone, and welcome back. We're so happy you're here with us again. Today, we're going to have a natural, detailed conversation in English about something everyone has, a daily routine.
Yes, that's right. We all have 24 hours in a day. The question is, how do we use them? I'm Daniel.
And I'm Hannah, and today we're going to walk through our entire day, from the moment we open our eyes in the morning to the moment we fall asleep at night.
We'll talk about habits, feelings, problems, small joys, and even the little struggles we face every day.
Exactly. And while you listen, pay attention to common daily verbs and expressions. This is real-life English you can use every day.
All right, Hannah, let's start at the very beginning.
The morning.
The morning. I already feel nervous.
You are not a morning person, are you?
Not at all. If mornings had a personality, we would not be friends.
That's dramatic.
I'm serious. When my alarm rings, I feel confused. I don't know where I am for a few seconds.
What time does your alarm ring?
6:45 a.m., and it feels like 3 a.m.
That's not so early.
It feels early to me.
What kind of alarm sound do you use?
A loud digital beep, very sharp, very aggressive.
That sounds stressful.
It is stressful, but I need it. If I choose soft music, I will ignore it completely.
I use soft piano music.
Of course you do.
It wakes me up gently. I stretch my arms, take a deep breath, and slowly sit up.
When my alarm rings, I immediately press the snooze button.
How many times?
Usually twice, sometimes 3 times.
So you don't actually wake up at 6:45.
No, I wake up at 7 or 7:05 in panic mode.
That sounds chaotic.
It is chaotic. I jump out of bed, run to the bathroom, and suddenly everything feels rushed.
That's why I prefer waking up early. I wake up at 6 a.m. even if I don't need to leave early.
Why would you do that?
Because I love quiet mornings. The world is silent. No traffic, no messages, no noise.
That does sound peaceful.
I sit by the window with my coffee and just think.
Coffee. Now we are talking about something important.
How do you like your coffee?
Strong. Very strong. Black, no sugar, no milk.
You like serious coffee.
I like coffee that wakes me up immediately.
I prefer mine with warm milk and a little sugar. I drink it slowly.
I drink mine fast. It's fuel.
Do you check your phone in the morning?
Immediately. Emails, messages, news headlines.
That can increase stress.
Probably. What do you do?
I avoid my phone for the first 20 minutes. I prefer silence.
That's discipline.
It helps my mood.
After coffee comes breakfast.
Yes. What do you eat?
Something quick. Toast, cereal, or sometimes just a banana.
Do you skip breakfast?
Sometimes if I'm late.
Breakfast is important. It gives you energy.
I know. What do you eat?
Yogurt with fruit, oatmeal, sometimes eggs and toast.
That sounds like a hotel breakfast.
Not really. It's simple. I just prepare it calmly.
Calm is not part of my morning vocabulary.
After breakfast comes shower time.
Yes, I love hot showers.
Me too. It wakes up the body and relaxes the mind at the same time.
Do you sing in the shower?
Sometimes.
I do. Very badly.
That's okay. No one hears you.
I hope not.
Then comes choosing clothes.
The daily struggle.
I look at my closet and think, I have nothing to wear.
Even though it's full,
Exactly.
I try to choose my clothes the night before.
Does it help?
Yes, because morning decisions are dangerous.
That's true.
All right, now we're ready to leave the house.
How do you commute?
I take the subway.
Is it crowded?
Very. Everyone looks sleepy and serious.
What do you do during the ride?
I listen to music or podcasts. Sometimes I just observe people.
That's interesting.
You learn a lot by watching people.
I drive to work.
How's traffic?
Slow and unpredictable. Stop, go, stop, go.
That sounds frustrating.
It can be, but I listen to music and try to stay patient.
Now we arrive at work.
Yes, I sit at my desk, turn on my computer.
And face the emails.
So many emails.
I reply, organize tasks, and check my schedule.
I have meetings almost every day.
Do you enjoy meetings?
Some are productive, some are too long.
I agree. Sometimes meetings could be emails.
Exactly.
Around 3 p.m., I feel tired.
The afternoon energy drop.
Yes, my brain slows down.
What do you do?
Coffee or green tea?
I prefer tea in the afternoon.
Do you take breaks?
Yes, short breaks help focus.
I try to stand up and stretch.
That's good for your health.
Finally, 5 p.m.
The best moment of the workday.
I feel relieved.
Me too.
When I get home, I change into comfortable clothes immediately.
Same here. Comfort is important.
I have a dog named Rocky.
That's sweet.
He waits at the door every day.
That must feel amazing.
It does. What about you?
I have a cat named Luna.
Is she excited?
She pretends she isn't, but she follows me everywhere.
Typical cat behavior.
After greeting Luna, I start preparing dinner.
Do you cook every day?
Almost every day.
That's impressive.
Cooking relaxes me. I play music and take my time.
I cook simple meals. Pasta, rice, and vegetables.
Cooking is a useful life skill.
I'm still improving.
After dinner, I clean the kitchen.
I try to do the same. Future me appreciates it.
Then I sit on the couch and read.
I watch a movie or a series.
What genre?
Comedy. I need laughter after work.
That's healthy.
Before bed, I take Rocky for a short walk.
Night walks are peaceful.
Very peaceful.
What time do you sleep?
Around midnight.
That's late.
I know. I enjoy quiet nights.
I sleep around 10:30 p.m.
That explains why you love mornings.
Exactly.
Before sleeping, I brush my teeth, wash my face, and scroll on my phone.
I read a few pages of a book instead.
That's healthier.
Then lights off.
And sleep.
From alarm clock to bedtime, that's our daily routine.
It may seem simple, but daily habits shape our life.
Small actions every day create big results over time.
So here's a question for you.
Are you a morning person?
Or an evening person.
What does your daily routine look like?
Tell us about your day. We'd love to know.
Thank you for spending your time with us.
See you next time.
Goodbye.
Bye, everyone.